Welcome. This is going to be a fun course where you'll learn the fundamentals of NFTs and Web3 in a very non-technical way. When completed, you will know more about NFTs, Web3, and crypto than probably 95% of the public. Now, someday I want to do a course like this where I open up by saying, this course will show you how to make a fortune just by following a few easy steps. But now is not the time to make money. Now is the time to get ready to make money. One of my favorite phrases in life is that success happens when preparation meets opportunity. Right now, the world economy is way too unpredictable for most of us to invest. So now is the time to learn, so that when the economy turns around, you'll have the cash and the understanding to take advantage, to perhaps create legacy money that will change your life and the life of your extended family. This course and those that follow will help you prepare for that opportunity. Now, NFTs and Web3 are the future of all things online. This course is meant to simply introduce you to the future of this online existence, as well as getting your feet a little wet with buying and selling an NFT. With the first module in this series, you'll get ready for Web3 in a non-technical way to make sure you understand the importance of the technology and how it's going to impact your life. Web3 is the next phase of the web, and NFTs are at the forefront. These are the digital representations of real-world objects and items, making them easier to track, transfer. Promise number one, I'm going to keep it simple, non-technical. I've been working in cutting-edge information technology a long time, and I'm told that I'm a pretty good explainer. Fact is, all humanity will someday be interconnected by Web3. NFTs will be everywhere, and we will hardly notice. Taking this course now will put you in front of that crowd, understanding a consensus basis. As I said in the first slide, this course is not about investing. NFTs and Web3 are actually more than 5 years old, but they just seem really new. We are going to see an explosion of all of those in 2023, 2024. The macro financial market is a mess. If you are invested now, most investors are saying, hold on. It doesn't seem to me that either buying or selling is prudent. So here's what's going to be in the sequence of classes in this course. I'm going to cover the tools. You probably already have them. You won't need anything new, I don't think. We're going to do a brief explanation of NFTs, Web3, introduce you to some of the language. We're going to do a beginner's guide to NFT buying, selling, and investing. And then we're going to do a fun little project where you're going to create and post your own NFT for sale. To do that, you're going to need to understand a little bit about basic crypto, and then we'll wrap everything up and review your success. I do want to remind you that I will have future courses on this topic. This gives you the big picture in the way of a mind map. So just as a way of short background, my name's Kurt Hess. One of the nicknames I have is this Captain Krypto, based on the rank that I was in the Navy. I actually took an artificial intelligence course back in 1972. Yeah, 50 years ago. Here it is. I recommend you buckle up, jump right into the course. You'll be glad you did. Thank you.